name is Jennnifer and I am from St. John's, Newfoundland, and I teach grades 7, 8, and 9 science at Macdonald Drive Junior High School. I came to become involved with Brilliant Labs as I recognized the classroom environment and learning environment has changed significantly in the 21st century in terms of advancements in technology and evolving educational theories. In order to prepare our students for this ever-evolving and changing world, we need to equip them with the skills to do so. So our goal as a science department at Macdonald Drive Junior High was to create hands-on, engaging learning opportunities for students. I reached out to Brilliant Labs to see how they could support us in our goal. They provided a lot of mentorship and the resources and tools needed to help support our students. Exploratory learning is so important in a diverse classroom as it allows us as teachers, as educators to meet learners where they are, provide them with opportunities to take risks and explore their interests and passions in what they are learning. As a teacher, it's important to understand that it's okay to learn from our students. Oftentimes, they know more about the technology than we do, and that is why Brilliant Labs is so important as they provide the opportunities and tools and mentorship for both teachers and students to engage in hands-on learning and explore their passions and interests by allowing them to step outside their comfort zone. If I were to describe Brilliant Labs, it would be in one word: opportunities. Brilliant Labs has provided an infinite number of possibilities through their resources and mentorship to both educators and students and our communities, where we can take risks and explore our passions. My favorite part of working with Brilliant Labs is the access to technology that we can use in the classroom for our students to create engaging, hands-on learning opportunities. Some of the projects we have collaborated with Brilliant Labs was to support one of our students who had an interest in a science fair project. However, getting the resources for this project were challenging. We reached out to Brilliant Labs and they were able to provide us with the resources she needed, such as an incubator and the non-pathogenic bacteria that we could not access anywhere else. Because of this, the student, Alpida, was able to compete nationally in a science fair where she did quite well and was given the opportunity to showcase her project at the Brilliant Labs What If Innovation Fair in Moncton, New Brunswick. We have also coded microbits in learning how conductivity works and temperature. We have created a smart irrigation system in learning about climate change. Brilliant Labs has been very supportive and the driving force behind our school's makerspace. Anyone who is interested in providing hands-on, authentic learning opportunities for their students, I highly encourage you to reach out to Brilliant Labs. They provide immense support to help your ideas become reality. For me, the most rewarding part of becoming involved with Brilliant Labs is to see students excited about learning, excited about trying new things. So as a teacher, I found these projects so engaging and valuable that I actually spent the majority of my summer learning how to code, learning how to use a 3D printer so that I could bring this then into my classroom. I love to see students excited and the twinkle in their eye as they find their joy in learning.